When you buy your first DEROS, you might wonder, why is there a package with small nuts and bolts? It's actually to balance the backing pad in case you're using a pad saver or an interface. So for example, on this 8mm machine, if you look in your manual, we have a page where you can look up how many screws and nuts you need to add to balance out the machine when using the interface. So in this case, with the 680, we need 3 nuts and bolts. When you have all the 3 screws in place, tighten them with the Allen key. Now you have balanced out your 680 to use with interface or pad saver.